Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. After a long time, we are just recording this video, and this is the unboxing of iWatch Series 7 blue color, and let's do it. Uh, when we open the outer cover, we get two boxes inside. One is with the watch, and another one is with the strap. And let's keep the cover aside. Let's open the watch strap right now. It feels satisfying when you peel those stickers. I don't know which way we have to open this. Mm, this way. I know definitely we shouldn't be doing this way. This is not the right way to open the. Okay, I got it. Got it. This is the way. People who see it do open the strap box correctly, or else you will end up tearing the box. Okay, let's open it up. Yeah, there are two straps. One is the largest size, another one is the smaller size, and the third one is the locking loop. It is in the standard size. The people with bigger wrist, I recommend you to wear a larger size. People with smaller wrist, I would recommend you to wear smaller one. Let's open the watch. Oh, this feels satisfying when peeling the cover. Okay, let's open the watch. That is the all new iWatch 7 series. It comes with some user manuals, how to turn on the Apple Watches. Let's keep it up, keep it inside again. Let's come. And this is the new wireless charger, fast charger actually, and it is so fast compared to the last generations of iWatches, and it only supports the fast charger in 7 series. If you go connect the fast charger in 6 series, it won't be that fast. It has been configured in this way so that it could charge fast. Okay, this is the metallic new wireless charge. Okay, coming back to the iWatch. Okay, it's adjustment camera. Okay, this is the right angle to open up. Okay, the sleeve is made in paper, and let's remove it. Yeah, come out. Okay, it is come out. The color actually feels so good. The blue one, my favorite is blue one, and all those are the sensors backside, and the crown. Okay, coming back to the watch. I was been like trying to turn it on, but it has no charge in it. So I think it's time to keep the watch aside for charge, like charging it like 2 hours. It will be charged up, and let's see again. Before charging, I need to just put on the straps and see how it looks with the strap. Mm, just patching up the two strap. I was like, I do have a medium wrist. I don't want to wear a smaller one, so I prefer wearing a larger strap. Okay, that's it. I need to charge it up. Let's charge them. Okay, the charge is full right now. It's asking for a password, and the watch looks sleek, and the shapes have been sharper compared to the previous versions. The display is been increased, and the curve display, which feels somewhat like um, Galaxy S series. They used to be like S, and especially on this dial, the watch looks so nice. Okay, hope you guys love the video. Do like, subscribe, and we'll see you in another video. Thank you. See you.